In this video, I'm going to show you how to make 10k per month even as a beginner. Okay, now then, I've been studying online marketing for a while, and I'm getting better and better at finding great things to make money online with. And I'm also finding great people to learn from. So I honestly recommend that you follow me because I'm finding some great mentors. Okay, so now then, what I'm going to tell you about is probably the best way to make money online, which in my opinion is affiliate marketing. Now, if you don't know, affiliate marketing is where you recommend something, and if you recommend something to someone and they buy it, you get a commission for recommending it. Okay, now then, a few months ago, I was on YouTube and I saw this guy who was recommending this system for making money online, and he was making 10k a week, even more. And I'm like, wow, I like the sound of this. And so I looked into it, and what it was it was a system. It was affiliate marketing, but it was a system of affiliate marketing where it was 8 different affiliate marketing ways altogether. So for instance, these are all different products and services that you could promote them all with one link. And I thought, this is a really clever system. And the beauty about it is I love simplicity. I like things where someone else has done most of the work, because, you know, tech can be complicated, yeah? So when someone else has done most of the work and I just join in and they make it as easy as possible, then I love that, because it takes most of the headaches away from making money. So I joined this system, and it's a clever system. It gives you up to 8 income streams, and what they are, the products and services that people who want to make money online, they're things that you almost need, and they're all useful and they're all great value. And so it's for other people who are interested in making money online, it's like almost a no-brainer. It's very easy to recommend something, and people are very easy to take it up. And so these are 8 great products and services, and so they're combined in such a way that literally you promote one link, and the people who join or have a look get to view all 8 products and services, and they can decide how they want to join. You can join one or you can join all 8, it's up to you. Now, the beauty of it is 2 of them are email related, which is great. One's like an autoresponder, what you need, yeah, that's how to send emails to people. Emails are powerful. I'm sure you've probably bought through emails. I know I have. But and another one is actually an email kind of platform to send out emails, not using an autoresponder, where it gives you free email addresses, and it's clever and it's really good. Anyway, but what's most important is one of them is a paid school membership from the guy that I originally bought it. He wasn't, or I originally got recommended by. He wasn't originally in it, but because his school is so good, the guy who did make the system has included his paid school in it, which is really good, and I'm in that. And he's like a mentor, and he could be charging a lot more for what he's doing. He's basically showing you step by step how he's making $2,000 a day, $60,000 a month, and more. He's going to make $1 million this year. you know, and he's showing everyone exactly how he's doing it, exactly. Now he's good at it, but even people in the class who are complete beginners, more than one have made 10 grand a month. One made 40 grand in 25 days. Yeah, so it's really good, and it's a great community as well. There's also a free one. So what I'm going to do is, in the link below, I'm going to put my link to the system, which is called Super Affiliate Funnel, and I'll put that in the link below. Also, I'm going to put a direct link to his paid school community, which I highly recommend, but I'll also put a free school community there. It might be his to start with, but I'm going to start my own, so I might change that to my own in the end. But don't worry, my own is going to be his teachings. He's letting us use his lessons, which is amazing. So and anyone who joins, he lets you use his courses, which is brilliant. So you know, he's actually encouraging people how to copy him. He's basically saying he had a mentor, and his mentor just said, model me. So now he is our mentor, and he's just saying, model me. What I'm doing is working. I've learnt it off someone I've paid thousands of dollars for, and I modelled him. Now you can model me, but he's not charging thousands, you know. He's not at all. Most of it's free, and then there's some that you can pay if you want to carry on learning. You want to, you know, really get better at it. But so it's almost like a combination of 3 different things. But initially, it was him recommending the system. The system is good. I'm in there, and his free school is good as well, and then his paid school is even better. You know, so yeah, and he's basically saying, model me. He's making $2 grand a day, and he's saying there's no reason why, if you don't take action and do what I tell you to do it how I tell you to do, that you will not make money at it. And with the combination of how he's teaching and what he's encouraging you to promote as an affiliate, both the system and other things that he's developed himself. So they're great, absolutely great, all 3, and that's why, as you can probably tell, I'm pretty enthusiastic about it. So, you know, I think affiliate marketing is one of the best ways, that and making your own courses, which is something you'd probably do once you start making money, you know. But there's people in his groups who are complete beginners. They don't even know what affiliate marketing is, but they're learning, and they're learning step by step, and you know, they're doing well. You know, there's people making progress, and you know, so it's really good. It's a great community, and the system is good. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave links for all 3. I'm going to leave one for the system. I'm going to leave one for a free school group, and one for a paid school group as well. And the paid school group is his, but I highly recommend it. It's well worth the money. In fact, you know, the guy who set up the system, he's called David. He could be charging to enter that system, to be honest, but he's not. It's free to get into it, you know. When you see it, you'll see how clever it is. The guy knows how to make systems, and it's like a network, really. It's like a network of affiliate offers, basically, you know, but good ones. And the whole thing, all the background work's been done. You just promote one link, you know, and then that gives access to his system, you know. And then obviously, if you don't know what school is like a community that's growing massively, where you can learn almost anything, many free, some are paid, you know, but you know, they are what they are, but they're brilliant. Okay, so yeah, so what I would do is check my links in the description, and at least check out the system. check out the free school, and I'd recommend joining the paid school as well, because that's where it takes it to the next level, and it's well worth it in my opinion. But yeah, so yeah, even a beginner start from scratch, and you could learn how to be making 10k per month with this. Okay, thanks.